Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I'm back with another video, that is how to lighten our lips naturally at home with vitamin C lip balm. Vitamin C helps to lighten dark and pigmented lips naturally. After using this lip balm for just 1 week, you will feel a lot of difference in your lips. Personally, I have used this lip balm and very happy with the results I got with this. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to see all my latest videos first. So first let us check what are the ingredients we need to make this lip balm. To make this lip balm, first we need Vaseline petroleum jelly. So this Vaseline helps to moisturize our lips and gives baby soft lips. Finally, we need vitamin C tablets, and its name is Lime C. Here I am using this. These tablets are very easily available in any medical stores. As these vitamin C tablets are chewable, so if it goes into our mouth also, it's not a problem. So let us move on to the process. Add some Vaseline. You can take this according to how much amount you want to make it. And next add vitamin C tablet. I have crushed this and made it in powdered form. So to this Vaseline I am adding powdered vitamin C tablet. With the help of candle I am melting this, but you can also choose another method, that is double boiler method. And after melting, once it is melted, I am mixing everything and transferring it into any empty container. Now let it cool down to normal room temperature, or you can place it in any refrigerator. So our DIY vitamin C lip balm is ready. Wow, it turned out so beautifully with orange color. Apply this lip balm every day before going to bed and wash it off in the morning. After using this, you will notice difference in your lips in just 3 days. And if you are having more pigmented lips, then you can see results in at least 1 week. Hope this video may be helpful for you guys, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. So until next video, take care, bye.